नमस्ते बच्चों, मैं आपका हिंदी अध्यापक नए कविता के साथ में, जिसका नाम है दीवानों की हस्ती। दीवानों की हस्ती, जिनके कवि है भगवती चरण वर्मा। द पोएट इज भगवती चरण वर्मा. नाउ दीवानों means what? This poem has written before we get a freedom there. Before we get a freedom. So we were a slave of British people. British people ruled our country near about 150 to 200 years. So, for getting freedom, the Indian leaders, brave fighters, Indian leaders were there now. They were going to inspire the people in every cities, villages. Okay, so those fighters is called Divano, who loved our country. Everyone loved our country, correct? For getting freedom, for getting freedom, those who are struggling, making unity of the people, that is called Divano. Otherwise, Divano means what? Mad also. We can love like anything. Mad people will be there now. They can do anything. So, like this, for getting freedom from the British people, these guys were organizing the speeches, inspirational speeches, and making together the Indian people to get freedom from the British people, like Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, Chandrasekhar Azad, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. After that, new movement by Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so like these people, easily we cannot get the freedom. Easily we cannot get the freedom there. For that, many Indian great leaders sacrificed their life. Then only we got freedom on 15th August 1947. So this poem is written before the freedom there. So let us see there what message Bhagwati Charan Verma is going to give us. दीवानों की हस्ती. हम दीवानों की क्या हस्ती है, आज यहाँ कल वहाँ चले. हम दीवानों की क्या हस्ती है, आज यहाँ कल वहाँ चले. मस्ती का आलम साथ चला, हम धूल उड़ाते जहाँ चले. हम दीवानों की क्या हस्ती. हम मीन्स वी. दीवानों, फ्रीडम फाइटर्स, दोज हु आर लविंग टू आवर कंट्री. क्या हस्ती. हस्ती मीन्स अस्तित्व. So in front of the nations, we are nothing. A normal. So for getting freedom, we love our country. Therefore, getting freedom, we have to be in unity. So when the British people were ruling our country, that time they were getting afraid there. The British people were torturing our Indian people if they are organizing any speeches or anything. Okay, so we cannot see the people were gathering there. So wherever the people gathered there, these British people used to go and kill them, or they were putting them into the jail there. हम दीवानों की क्या हस्ती है, आज यहाँ कल वहाँ चले. In that situation also, some of the great leaders were there. They decided by their own, what we will give the inspiration speeches. We will make the people together. We will make the people together. They left their homes and started going from one village to another village, one city to another city, and started giving speeches among the Indian people. Hey, aaj yaha kal waha chale. So today they will be they were giving here speeches, inspirational speeches, and another day they were going to another city. So in one place they were not there. Why? What is the reason there? Because we were slave there. Our country was ruling by the British people those days. Those days our country was ruling by the British people. So how can we get freedom there? Even the birds in the cage, birds like these birds will be there now. Even the cage, what will happen there? If you will put them into the cage here, so what will happen there? They wanted to be free there, they wanted to escape from this, and we are human beings. When the British government was ruling and torturing there, so we were getting angry, but some of them were not taking the action there. So among of the many people, so many like Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, like these leaders were there. What they were inspiring to the Indian people to join together. And how can we escape from this British people? How can we get the freedom there? So for that purpose, one day they were giving in another village speeches, another day they were giving in another places, because they wanted to make unity of Indian people. So like this many attacks we did there after getting together there, like 1857, 1857. So like this Rani Lakshmi Bai was there. So for getting freedom, many people sacrifices their life there. हम दीवानों की क्या हस्ती है, आज यहाँ कल वहाँ चले, मस्ती का आलम साथ चला, हम धूल उड़ाते जहाँ चले. So these freedom fighters were there for making together us. They were giving the speeches and inspirational speeches they were giving to the people, and those who got inspired by their speeches. So wherever these guys, masti mein, masti ka alam means what? Mahol. Alam means what? Mahol means what? That situation. They, with happiness, they were delivering their speeches there. Oh, you can join together. Then only we can get our freedom there. Otherwise, we cannot get it there. So wherever these leaders were going there, those who liked their speeches there, they were also following to them. They were also following to them. हम धूल उड़ाते जहाँ चले, हम धूल उड़ाते जहाँ चले. So wherever these guys were going there, the people also were following to them. The people also were following to them. So why they were going there? So they were making the unity of people there for getting the freedom for British government. आए बनकर उल्लास अभी, आंसू बनकर वह चले अभी, सब कहते ही रह गए, अरे तुम कैसे आए कहाँ चले. Now see there, they sacrifices their life, family and everything. They left there and making together to the people there. They were roaming here and there to through the country. One place they were going to another district, another day they were going to another districts. So whenever they were getting, and in that meanwhile, the British people were sending their police force for catching these guys. They were finding these guys there. If they caught them, they were putting them into the jail. So in that, they were playing the hide and seek game. Like this, sometimes they were hiding there. Whenever they were getting the time there, they were giving the inspirational speech there. In between, anyhow they left their families there. Then after 2-3 months, they were going to meet their families. Here, आए बनकर उल्लास अभी. Now with happy, oh, we did something, we inspired the people. Now let us go and meet our families there after many days. So what will happen there? The family members in that family, to seeing this family members, they were getting very happy there. Oh my God, after 2-3 months my dad came, my husband came, my son came, like this family member. So among the families, the happiness were there. But what happened there? Within one day only, they were meeting. Oh, next morning I have to go there. Okay. So I just came there. How you all are? Okay. So another day, when they were about to go there, all the family members are asking there, oh, just now you came there. Yesterday only came there and you are telling us today you have to go. When they were going there, no, that time they were crying there. What is this? Dad, yesterday only you come. How can you go there? Asu bankar bah chale abhi. So when they were coming, that time the happiness were there in the family, And when they were about to go there, all the members, father, wife, children, all were crying there. सब कहते ही रह गए, अरे तुम कैसे आए, कहा चले. These all family members are telling that, hey, yesterday only you have come there, how can you go there? But some neighbors also were there. तुम कैसे आए, how did you come there? Because the police were searching for you, British army were searching for you. And now where are you going? Now where are you going? And family people were telling that yesterday only you have come there. Why are you going again? So when they came there, among the families, happiness were there. And when they were about to go, so all started to cry there. So Aaye bankar ullas. Ullas means what? Happiness. So when they came there, in the families, happiness were there. And when they were about to go, that time everybody started crying there. Just yesterday only you have come there, just now you come there and telling that you have to go there. Some neighbors, they didn't know there, at night or so, any time they can go there, no. So when they saw there, while going time there, oh, I didn't see you, when did you come there? Oh, just now I saw, and you are telling us that you are going now. How? When did you come and where are you going there? So that time these freedom fighter were giving the answer to neighbors and family members. You see there, kis aur chale yah mat pucho. Kis aur, where we are going there, please don't ask us. Where we are going, please don't ask us. Chalana hai bas isliye chale. We have to go. We have to make together the Indian people against the British rulers. Then only we can get our freedom there. So don't ask us, we are going there. Today we are here, another day we will be in another city. किस और चले यह मत पूछो. किस और चले, where we are going there. यह मत पूछो, please don't ask us. चलना है बस इसलिए चले. It's our duty to make together Indian people, so we are going there. जग से उसका कुछ लिए चले, जग को अपना कुछ दिए चले. From this world, something we have taken, means this mother, our motherland gave us birth there, our motherland gave us birth there. So we have to make it free from the, we have to make it free from these British people, British rulers there. So don't ask us, we are where we are going there. So anyhow we will make together the Indian people, and one day what will happen there, we will get the freedom. जग से उसका कुछ लिए चले, जग को अपना कुछ दिए चले. So we got birth in this world and we have taken something. It's our duty. Our motherland is slave of British people. Okay, that's why we are giving the inspirational people speeches, and many people are coming there. Those who liked our speeches, they were following to us, and some of them, very few were there, those who were not listening to them because they likes the slavery of British people. So what we have taken from this motherland, love and everything, we wanted to share with all the people throughout our country there. We wanted to make them together. We wanted to escape them from the slavery of British people. दो बात कही, दो बात सुनी, कुछ हंसे और फिर कुछ रोए. So while giving the speeches there, we were asking the problems of the people. What's your problem there? Why you are not coming in unity there? We were telling them how to come together. दो बात कही, we said something to them. दो बात सुनी, their problems also we listened. कुछ हंसे और कुछ फिर रोए. Some of them were smiling on us. What these leaders? We cannot get the freedom there. We cannot get the freedom. Some of the people were telling there, and some of them were telling there, yes, definitely, if togetherness is there, so we can definitely will get the freedom there. दो बात कही, दो बात सुनी, कुछ हंसे और कुछ फिर रोए. Some of them were laughing on them. Hey, what nonsense you are doing there? The people won't listen to you. But some people are telling there, oh my God, oh leaders, you are doing a great job there. Definitely not now, but definitely we will get the freedom. छक्कर सुख दुख के घुटों को हम एक भाव से पिए चले. So in this world, you see there those who born there, for them so many problems are there. For them so many problems are there. So I have problem, I have problem. If you are telling to others there, this is the way to solve the problems. No, we have to be together there. We have to be together there. Then only we can get freedom there. We have to do attacks on them, or we have to find out the way how these British people will go out from our country. So problems are there, everybody has problems there, correct? If we are not being in unity there, so what will happen there? Not only 150 years, more than 200 years we will be slave there. So come on, oh guys, be together there. We will escape our motherland from the rulers of British. हम भिकमंगों की दुनिया में स्वच्छंद लुटाकर प्यार चले, हम एक निशानी सी उर पर ले असफलता का भार चले. हम भिकमंगों की दुनिया में. So every area of India, every corner of India, these guys are going to inspire them. Oh guys, please join us. So how? See, everybody has worked there. From that also a little time you can give us. Okay, so we will decide there. So first attack was there in 1931, Kolkata. 1931 against the British people. 1931 in Calcutta. Calcutta. But there most of the people were not united there. That's why that time we didn't get the freedom there. So these leaders were telling there, okay, no problem. Most of the people didn't join there. But another time again like this only we have to be in unity there. So one day what will happen there? We will get the freedom. हम भिकमंगों की दुनिया में स्वच्छंद लुटाकर प्यार चरे. भिकमंगो means poor peoples. Every corner of India, they were going there and telling them, please be united, be united. दुनिया में स्वच्छंद लुटाकर प्यार चले. These guys with happiness, with love, they were telling what is the value of togetherness, what is the power of togetherness. हम एक निशानी पर ले असफलता का भार चल. एक निशानी means what? One scar. Now these guys were giving speeches there, and lakhs of people were listening to them. So some of them were joining to these speeches, but some of them were not listening to them. So what these leaders were telling there, oh, we tried our level best, but you guys are not listening to us. That scar, that mark we are taking back. Oh, it is our unsuccess because our message didn't reach to you. एक निशानी सी उर पर ले असफलता का भार चले. 95% understood there how to be united, but 5% were there. Those guys, they didn't understand their of togetherness. So these leaders are telling there, it is our fault. Our message didn't reach to you. Our message didn't reach to you. Okay, last stanza. अब अपना और पराया क्या आबाद रहे रुकने वाले, हम स्वयं बंधे थे और स्वयं हम अपने बंधन तोड़ चले. So अब अपना और पराया क्या. Anyhow most of the people got together there now. Okay, so you all are ours. Okay, what is ours and what is others, we should not think there. Everything throughout the country, what movements are going there, together we have to do that. Abad rahe rukne wale. Now these leaders are telling there, no, we don't know there at what time the British people will come to us and they may kill us, because we are saying everything about the British people, how they are there, correct, how we can make them to go from here. So they are searching us, but you don't get afraid. After us also you have to keep on moving this movement there, keep on moving this movement there. We may die, but those people will be here after the freedom there. You have to be in unity, you have to be in unity. Abad rahe rukne wale. We don't know we will be alive or not, but after our death also, when we will get the freedom there, you have to keep it safe. You have to run our country properly. Otherwise what will happen? This time the British peoples are ruling our country, another time somebody else there, correct? So हम स्वयं बंधे थे और स्वयं हम अपने बंधन तोड़ चले. So these movements are there, no, to getting freedom there. Nobody told us to join there. By join this movement there, we started giving speeches, inspirational speeches to our country people. So what will happen there? The British people will come to know there and they may kill us, but no need to worry there. If we are together there, definitely we will get the freedom there. Now getting freedom, see there, easily we cannot get the freedom there. The many great leaders sacrificed their lives also, like Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, Chandrasekhar Azad, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Then only we got the freedom there, and we got freedom on 15th August 1947. So what these leaders are telling there, anyhow we got the freedom there, but now also you have to be in unity. Correct. Now the British people were ruling our country. If you will not be in a unity, what will happen there? The other country may be attack on us and we will be the slave. So be in unity there. We don't know we will be alive or not, but you have to keep serving for the nations. After us, you have to do these movements what we are doing there. You can give the inspirational speeches to our country people to be together there. So like this, Diwano ki Hasti, Bhagwati Charan Varma has what message he wanted to give us. We have to be in unity so that nobody can rule us, nobody can break us. So it's a wonderful poem by Bhagwati Charan Varma.